Hello friends, welcome to Mania Commerce classes, and today we will cover the topic correlation, and we will do the practical example for the same topic. So let us understand first what is correlation. Correlation means relation between two variables, that how two variables correlate with one another. Like example, price and demand. Correlation tells us about the relation between these two variables. ये हमें बताएगा what is the relation between the price and demand, how they are related, whether positive or negative. Here, if we take an example of price and demand, one commodity have a price 5. We will demand 1 unit of that. And if a price decrease to rupees 4, we will demand 2 units. Rupees 3, we will increase demand to 3. When the price is 4, the demand will increase to 4. And when the when the price of a commodity is rupees 2, we will demand quantity 4. And when the price of a good will decrease to 1, we will have a demand rupees, demand quantity demanded will be 5. Means correlation tell us about if price decreases of a commodity, demand will increase of that commodity. And if a price increases, demand will decrease. So correlation tell us about the relation between in these two components, price and demand. There is an inverse relation. The correlation हमें क्या बताएगा? It is a statistical method or a statistical technique that measure quantitative relationship. It will tell us the quantitative relationship which we can measure. तो कोरिलेशन ने हमें क्या बताया कि प्राइस और डिमांड में रिलेशन कैसा है, whether they are inversely related or they are positively correlated. So here we take an example of price and demand, where we see when the price of a commodity decreases, demand increases from 1 to 5. So correlation tells us about the relationship between that variables, that how they are correlated. Is it clear? Next we have degree of correlation. First we have perfect correlation. Perfect means same change. When two variables change in a same proportion, we will call it perfect correlation. It can be positive or it can be negative. When two variables change in a same proportion, same direction positively, these are called positive correlation. And when variables change in opposite direction with same proportion, called negative correlation. Is it clear? Graph of perfect positive correlation is straight line. This is a sign of positive correlation. And negative correlation is perfect negative correlation is of x, y. This is a sign of graph of negative, perfect negative correlation. Same proportion, same change. Here we are showing same proportion. This is positive correlation and this is negative correlation. Perfect negative, perfect positive. Is it clear? When there is no correlation, the graph will be there is no correlation between the variables. This is called no correlation between the variables. Is it clear? So let's go further and we will do some practical example. Firstly, we will see the formula of correlation. According to Carl Pearson, coefficient of correlation formula is R is equal to summation of x and y divided by n standard deviation of x multiply standard deviation of y, where R denotes to correlation, x is equal to x minus x main, y is equal to y minus y main. This is equal to standard deviation of x and this is standard deviation of y. N is equal to number of observations. Is it clear? This is a formula of Carl Pearson coefficient of correlation. Okay. We have another modified version of Carl Pearson formula. This is our second formula of Carl Pearson. R is equal to summation of xy divided by under root summation of x square multiply summation of y square, where x is equal to x minus x mean and y equal to y minus y mean. So in questions, we will use this one formula. And x mean is equal to summation of x divided by number of observation. Okay, let's start with an example so that we can clear correlation formula. We have a question. We have to find coefficient of correlation. We have given the data x is 2, x series we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Y series we have 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14 and 18. Let's write a formula of correlation. Coefficient of correlation is equal to R equal to summation of xy divided by under root summation of x square multiply summation of y square. Firstly, we will find x mean equal to summation of x divided by n. What is the summation of x? We will total of this series. Summation of x equal to 35. Then mean will be summation of x 35 divided by number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total number of observation is 7. Then x mean will be equal to 5. Then we will find x equal to x minus x mean, where x mean equal to 5. 5, 2 minus 5 is minus 3. 2 minus 3 minus 5 is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. And summation of x is equal to 0. Then we will do the square of x series. X square 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4 and 9. And summation of x square is equal to 20. Then we will have y series. Same we will do with the y series. Firstly, we will find y mean is equal to summation of y is 70. This is summation of y is equal to Sorry. Then we will find y, where y minus y mean, and y mean is equal to, we will find y mean by 70 divided by number of observation, and number of observation is 7, and y mean is equal to 10. Then 4 minus 10 is equal to minus 6, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 4, and 8. And summation of y, if we do the summation of total of this y series is equal to 0, then we will find y square, 6 का square 36, 9, 4, 1, 0, 16, 64, and summation of this series is equal to 130. In formula, we have to find summation of x and y. Then firstly we will multiply x and y series. X and y, minus 3 multiply minus 6. This is 6 3 is 18. 2 and 3 6. Then 2 0 0 8 and 24. And the summation of x multiply y series is 2. अब हमारा काम बहुत आसान हो गया. We will put these data into the formula. Let's rewrite the formula. Formula is correlation equal to summation of xy divided by under root summation of x squared multiply summation of y squared. Let's put all these values. First is summation of x and y. This is 58. 58 divided by under root summation of x square. What is the summation of x square is 28. This value. And multiply summation of y square. That is 130. 58 divided by, when we will multiply this, we have 3640, and by under root this value we have 60.33, and when we divide this value we will have positive 0.90. Uh, 96 यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ positive 0.96. This is our answer. So what it say that these two variable x series and y series is highly positive correlated. Okay. I hope you have cleared this question. तो ऐसे ही आपकी कोई क्वेरी हो आगे की सीरीज को बढ़ाने के लिए, प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। थैंक यू।